Does your 125 sound like this disaster? Stick around and let's see if we can fix this before it explodes.
Nope.
Kidding.
What's up, my little beardies? Welcome back. So, I was watching a couple YouTube videos earlier on this little Chinese pit bike of mine, and I think I may have figured out why the kickstart's doing what it's doing. So, there's a little spot. Take these off. And you take the little nut off on there, and you just tighten that up, I guess, or whatever, and then you try it, and supposedly that's supposed to work. Phillips, a 10, and a flathead. We're going to see what happens. And I mean, if this doesn't work, and I got to take the rest of this off and redo it, then hey, whatever, I guess. Damn. Shit's on there. Which one's your burglar? Is it Wyatt?
Yeah.
Is it coming out?
No. Because we've been in the dirt a couple of times. There she goes.
There we go. Dang. For flashlight here. Alright, so as you guys can see there, so I just need to pop this nut here off and turn this a couple of times and see what happens. Okay, that was off. See, you shouldn't even be able to do that by hand. See, that's like...
That's way too loose. So I don't think that's your problem. Oh. Maybe it is. Yeah, I'm gonna say put your little lock nut back on there.
Put my little knot back on there. See. See, I don't like why it keeps getting stuck down there like that. Just like it went. Again. Back that nut off of it one more time. Loosen it just a smidgy. Maybe my clutch is worn. Sketchy. It's supposed to pop out like that. Huh? I don't know. Huh. Guess what? That fixed it, guys. Holy shit. Try it one more time. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Shout out to the dude that I watched on YouTube earlier. And shout out to Bikes and Beards too, since he is another one. So, here we have it. So that part is fixed. Holy shit. Wow. Don't mind now, there's a little engine oil that got spilt out of the bucket the other night. Wow. Alright, so let's throw this back on there. That's crazy. That's a little, whatever. It's working for now, so I'm just gonna leave it. We was not getting any, nothing. I was literally just, and I can't even do that by hand now. Yeah! I'm pretty excited now. Now, so guess what? I can slap this cover back on now. No more, oh man. It was so cool using the drill though to start it. It's because it had so much power. I'm just overly excited right now. Help if you put it on the right way, genius. Oh, you're gonna be a... Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Come on.
There you go.
Give my finger back. Yeah. Well, next thing that I need to get replaced is the fork seals. Once the fork seals are replaced, then I'll be good to go. Goodness gracious. You don't want to go too tight with those. Go too tight, snap off right inside your motor there, and you gonna be effed. I watched a buddy of mine do that one time. Too damn tight, broke a couple bolts off inside his motor. Boy, was he pissed. Why does it gotta start getting cold? I don't like this cold shit. Well, folks, pretty stoked that that fixed that issue. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, my beardies. So, that's it on that little episode, little video, whatever we want to call that. So, as I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you have your bell notification turned on so you're always updated when I have a new video that comes out. Peace out.